Hello everyone.
Hi.
Hi. So we're at our next stop in Austria, which is the Krimml waterfall. So this is really cool. Now we're just driving into Krimml and we're pulled up at this picnic stop which was recommended by the Park for Night app. So as you can see, a little picnic stop here. The reason why it's recommended, because the views are immense, aren't they? Yeah. Let's give you a little show. Looking all the way down there. So you can actually see the Krimml waterfall just here, and it kind of comes down and then down here a little bit. So we're actually going to stay down there tonight, so we're going to be a lot closer, get some really cool shots for you until then. So stay tuned. So we're just walking to the waterfall now. Layla's gangster with the hood up. But no, it's raining, and but we got really lucky. Layla was really clever, and was checking out she's chimming face. She was checking out the tolls and the whole rules about them, and then we realised that we need this little ticket to drive on the motorway. Which, to be honest, we're very lucky. This little ticket here, it cost us €9. Literally doesn't do anything. We still need to pay tolls. But very lucky that we got it, because there's a big fine if you don't have it, and we're like halfway into Austria and they still haven't noticed, so extremely lucky, and really just happy we got it now, just to avoid that fine. So yeah, thank you, Layla.
Right.
So you probably cannot hear us right now because it's really loud, and we're by a massive waterfall. Now you want to check this out. Boom! Look at that! Woo! That's some rapid rapids! That's very powerful.
I don't mind that you've been riding with your head stuck out the window, and it's alright if I don't see it till the cops clear out tomorrow. Trying all the things you told your mom you never would. Just keep in mind.
So if you enjoyed watching our videos, please subscribe
And share.
and have a nice day.